everybody here knows me. 314, everybody here knows me. I thought you knew.
Man, I'm flossy, no lossy, stay bossy. She moan it, the morning. I flex like Marconi. I'm so tight, reloading. I got facts, no showing. The north side, it's snowing. That bitch I'm about to go with. The baseline, so canine. I'm talking like it's game time. My bitch still asks for playtime. I stay far from the daytime. I got no fucking time to take no shots at mans that say they are. Stay my ass up on that place I made from things I never won. Wish I knew ya, I don't know shit, I'm too high. I take a step on back and think about a bitch named Lisa. Pass on by the liquor, I take a shot, I'm too live. This fake bitch took a pic and said I miss you, man, say quoi ça? What you say, nigga, move right out the way. Not today, I've been saying I don't ever fucking play. Take your ass down to the bay. Don't you know I'm on this shit like yay? Please don't ever tell me that I don't know how to make my way.